Hi, everybody. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm so excited to be here with you and share today's presentation on Canva, which is another great part of this week's theme of arts and culture. So we've done this presentation before, but it's always great to share new information and learn more about it. So first, what we will be covering in this presentation, we will talk about what Canva is, then how to access it, both on mobile devices using an application and also the website. Then how to use Canva and its features. Then more details on the Canva Mobile App. And then also Canva Pro, which is the premium version of the platform. But to start off, we will go over what Canva is. Canva is a free-to-use graphic design website with some premium features. Canva is used to make and edit things like posters, social media posts, logos, flyers, and much more. The Pro version of Canva is used by many big corporations like Anytime Fitness, PwC, and HuffPost. And Canva allows users to create presentations, resumes, t-shirts, and brochures. So there are so many different things that you can do with this platform. Now for some pros and cons, as there are always some benefits and then some downsides. Something that is very great about Canva is that it is simple to use and very user-friendly. It is also budget-friendly. It has a very wide variety of templates, including those with a professional look to bring your designs to life without actually having to pay someone to do them for you. Then for the cons, sometimes alignment of elements cannot be as controlled as with Photoshop and Illustrator. And I personally have had some troubles aligning words or text boxes in the past, so it can be a bit frustrating. There are some limited export settings, though I think that over time these have improved for sure. And then there's also a chance of repetition or lack of originality, just because a lot of businesses use Canva and these public templates can be used by really anybody. Next, how to access Canva. On a computer, you can visit their website by typing in www.canva.com. Alternatively, you can just search up Canva, C-A-N-V-A, into your web browser, or you can click on this link when you receive a copy of the presentation. You can use Canva without having to create an account, but if you want to be able to save your designs, then you can sign up for free. And this is great because you can then sync between devices, for example, between computers or your mobile application and your computer, if you want to be able to work on a project on multiple devices. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or alternatively, an email address to create your account and then password. The next time you visit Canva, you can easily log in and access your previous and ongoing projects. Here's a screenshot taken from the login page of the site. As you can see, there are many options of how to access the platform. And then you want to click on this purple button here when you're ready to log in. Next on the list is how to use Canva. To start designing, hover over the Templates tab at the top left of your screen. There are many different categories that will pop up, and you can pick whichever one you are most interested in or explore the many options available. As you can see in this screenshot, you can look into the social media category, personal, business, marketing, education, and even trending as well. So there are so many different designs, and I will show you this in the live demonstration later on as well. After selecting your template, you will be redirected to a page where you can start creating your project. You can choose a pre-made design, or you can start from scratch if you have an idea in your mind that you really want to be unique with. You will be able to choose from a wide variety of themes, colors, fonts, graphics, and more to really make it your own. And we will show this process in detail during a live demonstration after the presentation. Here's a screenshot of all of the postcard templates that are available. And you can see that this is one of the many different categories available, but there are lots of different options here, and you can scroll down to see more when you visit the actual site. Next, I will be going over the Canva Mobile App. Canva also offers an application for your mobile devices. This includes smartphones and tablets. You can head to the App Store if you have an Apple device, for example, an iPhone or an iPad, or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, such as Samsung's. And the icons will look like this. So to the left, you can see a screenshot from the App Store, and you would click on Get in order to get the application. And then this one, it's a bit zoomed in, but this is what the icon looks like on the Google Play Store. So keep an eye out for these when you search for the app in your respective store. To use the Canva app, you must first sign up or log in. And I mentioned earlier in the presentation that you can sign up in many different ways, but once you have created your account, you will just go back to logging in each time you visit the site. Then you will be redirected to the home page where you can access your previous designs, or you can also create new ones. I'll direct your attention down to this screenshot, as by pressing the blue circle with the plus icon, a pop-up will show up where you can choose your dimensions. So by clicking on this purple plus here, you'll be able to choose your customized size, and you can choose one that is suggested for the purpose of your project, for example, a mobile video, or if you're posting it to Instagram. And this just makes sure that the dimensions are correct when you want to go and use your project for a specific purpose. So this is a great feature. By pressing on the Your Projects tab in the bottom bar, as seen in this screenshot, circled in black, you will be able to access previous or ongoing projects and edit them. Your designs will be saved automatically as you go through your project. It will be saved right away. Navigating the app. Firstly, the landing page. There are some top row icons that you should be aware of. Firstly, you will see a magnifying glass, which is the search bar. And this allows the user to search for specific templates and the user's own projects. The search bar is right here. As you can see, it's in this red box. The camera icon allows you to modify your own photos. The star icon, or the For You tab, shows different suggested templates based on previous activity that you've been doing on the platform and what they think that you would be interested in. For example, here's the star icon, and then Canva is saying that you might want to try a mobile video or an Instagram post or other things that they think you would be interested in. The heart icon or social media tab right here, it's darker because it's not selected in the screenshot, but by clicking on it, it will become brighter. You can be provided with templates for specific social media use, just to make sure that the dimensions are correct and it will be in the form that is best to post to social media. And then the presentation icon has presentation templates if you're doing more of a slide deck project, and that is right here under presentations. The film camera icon or video icon has video templates, which is another form of media that you can create using Canva. And the video icon is slightly cut off on the screen, but it is right here. The printer icon or print tab has a focus on graphic designing for physical items, such as a calendar or a tote bag, or even a t-shirt. And that is right here if you're planning on printing out some design. The icon with the megaphone or marketing tab focuses on marketing templates like Facebook ads or posters. And the marketing icon is found right here. And finally, the briefcase or handbag icon or the office tab focuses on office templates like resumes and reports. And you can find that right here. There are also some bottom row icons that are very important for the navigation of the site. The home icon will take you back to the home page, which is filled with lots of different templates, as we saw previously. And the folder icon, which is right beside it, called Your Projects, contains designs that you've already made or started. So that's how you're going to access the work that you're currently doing. And then the crown icon, titled Canva Pro, is for premium membership. And that's how you can access the paid version and enter your information to access some of those premium features, which I will go over in a few moments. And then the 3 bars or the menu brings up the account settings if you want to change anything to do with your information or look into the privacy policy, for example. Now I will go over how to navigate the app, specifically when you're editing your project. When you're editing a project, the home icon will take you back to the home page. And all of the icons that I am going to speak to are located inside of this red box. So firstly, the home icon is right here to the left. The back arrow icon undoes an edit that you've made, and the forward arrow icon redoes an edit if you undid something and then you want to redo it. And those are both located here. The crown icon brings up the option to pay for a premium membership, which is right here. The save icon or the downward arrow that is going into a line, a horizontal line, it allows you to save your project or design to your phone. And the share icon, which is typically the box with the arrow coming out of it, as you can see here, lets you send your design to others. And there are many different options for sending it to people, such as through a text message, email, AirDrop if you're on an Apple device, etc. The plus button at the bottom of the screen will bring up a menu, which allows you to add elements to your art. Things like music, icons, and videos can be added to a presentation. The pages icon here allows you to edit the page itself, like adding or duplicating pages. A few more things to know about editing your project. You can press the plus button and then you can change the template. You can add elements like shapes, graphics, and stock photos. You can access photos from your own camera roll to upload into your project. You can upload other media, for example, from the web. You can add text and more. So all of these options to add features to your project are right here in this bottom box. And you can even search through things that Canva has on their site, such as icons or shapes that you can put into your project. And the final portion of our presentation, prior to the live demonstration, is Canva Pro. And we can learn about some of the great premium features that they offer. So Canva also has a paid version, which gives you access to their premium features. Canva Pro provides you with exclusive fonts, stock images, templates, and a total of 100 gigabytes of storage, which is a very significant amount. Canva Pro is a monthly subscription and is priced at $16.99 Canadian per month, or if you're in the US, it would be $12.99 per month. There is also a free trial available. Just make sure to cancel it before they charge you the monthly price. As you can see in this screenshot, you can get a 14-day free trial by clicking on this purple button here. And something that's great about this free trial is if you know you have a project coming up and you want to have access to more of their features, then you can time it around that project specifically. So if you're only going to use it once, then the free trial is something that you can really take advantage of. Now we will create something together using Canva and explore the website itself. So I will be demonstrating the website on my computer. And first, we will be going to the website itself. So you can just search up Canva in your search bar right here, or you can search up www.canva.com and you will be brought to this site. And when you arrive at the site, you will be prompted to log in. And I have an account for my school, so it already has all my information there. Or you can click on sign up in this top corner if you do not yet have an account. And then you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with an email, which I know many people do. And then you would just put in your name, your email, and a password. And then you can just click this button to get started for free. But for the purpose of this presentation, I will be using the Cyber Seniors account that we have. So once you click on login, you will be brought to their homepage. And I want to bring your attention to these icons here that we can see that were mentioned in the presentation. And these are really great for navigating the site. As well, you can go to the top bar, which will offer you the home button, which is the screen that we're on right now. You can go to templates to see the many different categories of templates available. You can go to features. You can also go to learn if you want to learn more about graphic design or creating these projects, which is another great feature that they have. And then also you can learn more about pricing as well. And to the left, you can also see some helpful navigation tools. You see another way to access the homepage by clicking on this. You can also go to your recent designs if you already have some started. You can go to your projects if you have recent projects started. You can also see things that are shared with you if someone else has shared a Canva project. And then if you've put anything in the trash, then you can always retrieve it here, which is a great feature, of course, just in case you accidentally deleted something. But for today, I want to walk through creating a project together. So we're going to go to the Templates tab. And from there, we are going to choose something. So I think it might be cool to create a potential invitation. So if we were to go to invitation templates specifically, we can scroll down. You can also use their filters on the side if you have a specific style or theme, a price. I will definitely select free just because we can only access the free ones with the free account. And then if we're interested in hosting an event, then you can click, or a birthday, you can click on birthday. And then the kind of style we're looking for, it might be just simple. So I'll click on simple. And this really helps to narrow down those search results and find what you're looking for. So you can scroll down and see the options that have appeared. And when you find one that you're interested in, you can just simply click on it. So if I wanted to choose this one, for example, a birthday celebration, you can see some design details and also some more information that will be helpful for you to know, such as how it will be shaped and what it will look like if you were to print it. And then you can customize this template by clicking this button here. And a video may pop up for you to teach you how to design with Canva. So if you want to learn from them how to improve your design skills, then you can go ahead and watch the video. But for today, we're not going to watch the video. And so this is what it will look like when you're inside one of your projects. You will have the presentation or the card or whatever you're working on in this main screen here. And then you will be able to see all of the Canva design features to the left. So this is our template, and we are able to edit the template. I can change the text by deleting it and writing something else. We may put in an address. This is the street, wherever the party is being hosted. You can change the color by clicking on text color. You can bold, you can italicize, and you can even change the font and the size. So there are so many different things that you can do, just all the way down to the font size. From there, you can also look more at templates that they're offering. If you want to change your template, you can click on one of these here. If you were to go to the Elements tab, I can add graphics to my postcard. For example, if I wanted to add a plant, I would simply drag it off the side and drop it onto my card. From there, you can resize the things you add onto the card, and you can put them wherever you want on the screen. So if we wanted to add a plant in the bottom corner, then we could do that. You can continue scrolling and see that you can add photos, though the ones that they offer here are part of the premium plan, so you would have to have the paid version. You can add a video, you can add audio, though for the purpose of this birthday card invitation, that wouldn't really make sense because we would print them out, so you wouldn't want to add a video. You can also add shapes, so lines, specific types of lines as well, photos, graphics, and more. There are videos and audio there. You can also upload by clicking on the Uploads tab. And if you have an image or video, as well, if you have an audio track, you can upload it from your own computer by clicking this Upload button. You can also go to Photos. You can add some of their trending photos if you see something that you like. Maybe we want to add a picture of a cat because a lot of people like cats, and you can change the size and add it to the corner. We can also add other photos if you continue scrolling, and the key is really just dragging and dropping it into your project. You can also add some text if you want to add a heading or a subheading, and these are definitely helpful when you don't have a pre-made template, so you can really make it your own and start from scratch with these basic text boxes. Or you can add some of their pre-made texts. So if you see something that you like, then you can add it in. Maybe we want to add a party text because we're having a birthday party, and then you would just put it on there. Then for audio, which is not as relevant for this project, you can search different types of songs, though these are pro. Some of them aren't. So for example, you could add this one in, but if you see this crown icon, you must either be on the free trial or have the paid version, and you can add those in. You can even search audio if you have a specific type of audio that you're looking for. Then for videos, you can add in videos that they already have. So for example, a video of the rain or the sky or something like that. You can drag and drop. And then for the background, you can add in one of their backgrounds. I'm not going to choose a background because the template already has one, this color, but if you were to make your own creation, you can always add any of these really nice backdrops that they have. And you can even just change the background color if you want it to be a solid color with the many colors that they have here at the top. And of course, you can also search backgrounds. So that's something that's great about Canva. You can search for different features that you're interested in. And then finally, the more section, you can look more about style and also charts. If you're doing something, say for a report, you can add some charts in and some visuals too. And then if you go up here, this is where you can undo and redo any of your edits. So if I were to undo, we see that the party disappeared, and I can redo to get it back. And then finally, I will go over how to actually share the project. So you can click on those three dots in the top corner, and you see this screen pop up. They recommend that you either download the project, you share the link, you can present it straight from this screen, or you can just copy the link. You can share it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, email. You can save it to a folder on your desktop. You can send it to a Facebook group, Google Drive. And then you can also even look more into the prints that they offer. But this is really how you're going to get your project out there and, as they put it, publish your creation. You can also click on this button here to directly download the project. You can choose which type of format you want it to be in. It's recommending PDF print because this is something we would print out. So I would click on that one. And then I could just download it and it will appear. Once you sign in, then you can have it download. You can also click on share. This will allow you to share it with other people as well. So that would be how to export it. And if you're ever having trouble with the exporting, I think they've changed it quite a bit because in the past I had some trouble using it. You can always just reload the page, and I find that sometimes that really helps. And then one final comment that I wanted to make about Canva is that if you're collaborating with others while you are on the same Canva, it can sometimes be very difficult to do so simultaneously. So be very aware of that. It's easier to have one person making the edits just because it doesn't completely load right away, and then you find that everything is all over the place. So try to keep it to one user on each project, and then maybe after you're done making some edits, the next person can go on if you're working with another person. Thank you so much for listening today. If you would like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to our website, or you can call the number to register for a one-on-one phone session. And we also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays, and everyone is welcome to come to those sessions, and we would love to see you there. Thank you.